Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. If you've ever faced the challenge of collaborating with others using different software, or simply want to have your documents accessible from anywhere, converting your Word documents to Google Docs can be a real game changer. It allows you to edit documents online, share them effortlessly with others, and keep all your files organized neatly in the cloud. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser. While this might seem straightforward, it's important to note that using a reliable browser like Chrome or Firefox can ensure a smoother experience. Once your browser is open, head over to Google Drive. You can easily get there by typing drive.google.com straight into your URL bar. It's crucial that you're signed into your Google account before proceeding. This step is vital because it ensures that your documents are uploaded to the correct account, eliminating any potential confusion later on. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a prominent button labeled New with a plus sign. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose File Upload. This is the gateway to transferring files from your computer directly into your Google Drive. When you select File Upload, a window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Here you'll want to find the Word document you wish to convert. Typically, these files will have extensions like .doc or .docx. Once you've located your desired file, click Open. This action initiates the upload, and before long, you should see your Word document safely residing in your Google Drive. Now that your document is uploaded, it's time to convert it. Right-click on the Word document within your Google Drive. A menu will appear, and you'll want to hover over the Open With option. From the submenu that appears, click on Google Docs. This will open your document in a new tab within your browser. At this stage, you'll notice that your document is still in its original Word format. You can tell because there will be a small Word icon next to the document's title. To fully convert your document into a Google Docs file, there's one more step. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice the File menu. Click on it and a list of options will drop down. Here you're looking for the Save as Google Docs option. Selecting this will open a new tab, and just like that, your document is now a fully fledged Google Docs file. One of the great things about Google Docs is its automatic saving feature. Your work is continuously saved to Google Drive, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress, and collaborate on your document with others directly from your browser, making it an incredibly convenient tool for both personal and professional use. Thank you for tuning in to PMN Online. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to convert a Word document to Google Docs, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.